with exactly 3 weeks to go to Comrades. Time for training is over. In Zulu bari, nako yakupapara ifedile. Here is a recap of my Comrade training.
Awuphakamisa umkhonyovu lapho ujayive unqeke uzisa ikhanda bese ujayive wenze nje wenze nje wenze nje awenze nje awuphakamisa umkhonyovu lapho ujayive unqeke uzisa ikhanda bese ujayive wenze nje wenze nje awenze nje awenze nje ngena mina manje ngena intwana ephethe flow la kudlula khona bayangibuza ubando ubatshele ke usiphalo owase4 angidlile ngokhuluma wena udle ngomlomo udoplo uweklo poyindaba kaba awuyeki indaba zethu unake zakho ngiyazi vela ngikho ngidopest njengendonge semnyango uyidomet banginama-show uvula inkundlu yi-starter pack ibeat njengebhola ngekhaba bese ngiyifaka ispin kick njengodongpo ngingena stage bathuke bavala umlomo ngikhipha ihlanu ngithi tho nayi imvula mlomo irhyme lami ngathi amanzi labhabhadisa lobethi disa mina umtshelo uyakubhayizisa njenge-striker yinethi ngiyayibhakuzisa ngicela imayikhi banqabe ngihlwithe ngiphume estage amakhanda bewanqekuzisa istyle sakho sinokhula ngizokuhlakulela futhi siyahlihlisa ngathi sidinga i-ariel isilwane esiginya ama-hate ungibiza i-helien njengomama ongathandwa ungibiza uHelen isokanye yena lowe-DA.
Alright, okay, everything about Comrade has been confirmed now. We know the distance, we know the t-shirt, we know the cap, we even know the socks. The only thing that we don't know is the medal that I will come back with on the day. I smell silver. I smell silver. Let me go and find the silver.